In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to turn off AirPods Pro 2 touch controls and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, basic features available in the form of touch controls are included in the AirPods Pro 2. Whenever you touch on specific areas, when you press once, you press twice, they are either going to do stuff like noise control, so you can change between the modes, or you can play, pause, and so on. So first, if you try to go over to these settings and you choose to manage your AirPods Pro 2, what you will notice is that you can find options related to touch control. So press and hold AirPods, and then the call controls. If you go over to press and hold AirPods, which are the main controls related to touch, you will see that you only have noise control and Siri. Seemingly, there is no off option that you would use to turn this feature off altogether. If you choose noise control, this allows you to cycle between these modes whenever you press them once or twice, and if you choose Siri, that simply opens up Siri so you can talk to her, ask questions, and so on. So as it stands today, is there actually no way to turn this off? As weird as this may seem, and according to all the research that I've done, it is impossible to turn off the basic touch functionalities of the AirPods Pro 2. This is extremely unfortunate because if they don't fit well in your ears, or if you move around a lot, you might accidentally toggle these touch features. So as it stands today, because turning them off is impossible, you will simply have to be careful to not touch them by accident. Make sure that they fit well into your ears, so that way nothing will happen and you won't press these buttons by accident. But as it stands today, turning the touch features off completely is impossible. They need to remain on, and you will simply have to filter what these options do. You can customize them between noise control, cycles, and Siri, but you cannot turn them off, which is extremely weird and unfortunate. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of the touch controls on the AirPods Pro 2 and why it's impossible to turn it off. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.